Right, on this video we are going to design the pivot for this F1 suspension. So we see how it is designed. So this is the pivot design. Alright, so the first sketch that is done is this sketch. Right, normal 2. Okay, the sketch is you got one big circle and a small circle. Okay, the small circle diameter is 25 and the big circle is 40 mm, and then we draw construction line vertical. Okay, the height or the length is 80 mm. All right, another construction line, the length is also 80 mm, and then another construction line is the length is 50 mm. So this is horizontal. So the degree between this construction line and the horizontal is 70 degree. All right, so on each end of the construction line we are going to draw a circle, two circle. One diameter is 10 mm and the other is 15 mm. So similarly on this end also 15 mm and 10 mm. So it's the same on the horizontal construction line. On the end we are going to draw it 10 mm as well as 15 mm. So after that we are going to draw a line connecting this circle and this circle, so it is horizontal line. Right, and then another line from this point to this point, connecting the two circle. So same thing on this line, right, same thing on this line. Okay, so after making your sketch we are going to extrude both. Okay, so we check. So close the sketch and it is extrude both. How much is the extrude both? So it extrude both in blind by 5 mm. Right, check. So the next extrude both that is been done is this part. So all the circle has been extruded. So using the same sketch. So if you notice the sketch is still the same. Okay, so the same sketch is used. So only when it is extrude both, okay, we select 4 region. What are these 4 region? All right, 10 mm and it is blind. Okay, so another second direction is 5 mm and it's also blind. So we delete first this region, clear all the selection, and then I select the region. This is 1. Okay, this is 2, this is 3, and this is 4 region. So 10 on blind and 5 on the second direction. Check. So if you notice, it is extruded almost that the distance from the main plate is the same. Okay, a distance of 5 millimeter. Remember, it is extruded by 5 mm, then we extrude by 10 on this side and 5 on this side. So a total of 15 mm. Then the next part that is extruded is this portion. So still the same sketch is used. Alright, but the selected region is only this part and it is 20 mm. So if I clear this selection, okay, we select this region only there and then check. So after that it's been mirror. Okay, so to mirror we just edit sketch. We can delete this mirror. Okay, delete. Yes, I show you how it is mirror. All right, so we can just click this space and then we go here on the pictures. We got here mirror, so we mirror. So this space is used to mirror, so we go to bodies to mirror. So you're going to expand not the faces, not the features, but bodies to mirror. So we select this body. After that, we check. So it's already been mirrored. So to make it nice, we are going to make some fillet. So on fillet features, we are going to select this edge. Alright, select this edge. Similarly on this edge and this edge. This is too big, we can change to 5 mm. Alright, so all this you can also make the filleting. Alright, on all the edges there. So similarly inside, same thing here, and then also the other side, this side, this side, and also this side. Alright, and this side and this side. So let's check if all is already been filleted. So I think all is already filleted. So the fillet is done. Okay, on these edges we can also fillet, but only a small portion, maybe only 0.5 mm. Okay, so let's see this face. Let's check working. Okay, doesn't work, so it means this 0.5 is too much, so we just clear it. So not nice. Oh, we missed one here. We can fillet this one also by 5. Alright, so it's done. So this is now our plate, the pivot plate.